Hi everyone, I finally got my long-awaited fridge calendar. This Everblog fridge note comes from a product trial. Today I'm doing a full immersive unboxing and review to show you how practical this underrated home gadget really is. Guys, do you have the same trouble as me? Let me share its real usage experience in today's review. Let's start with basic use. It uses magnetic design. Just stick it onto your fridge, and it stays firmly in place. Your fridge is covered in messy sticky notes. Buy milk today. Eggs will expire soon last week. But you can never find those notes when you need them. Or, they just fall off and get lost entirely. I recently found this hidden gem, the Everblog fridge calendar. Each slot helps mark reminders with alarm signs. Super easy to understand. Here are my honest thoughts after testing it. It has plenty of highlights. First, the strong magnet holds tight even when we open and close the fridge dozens of times every day. It never slips off. Second, it is reusable, much eco-friendlier than paper sticky notes. And you can edit all digital entries anytime you want. Third, it features a minimalist, elegant look that fits all fridge styles. No drilling required, and no sticky residue left behind. The writable surface lets you jot down daily to-dos in each date slot. Kids' reading club on Monday, Alan's birthday on March 18th, or food expiry dates like yogurt expiring on the. It also comes with a stylus for screen control. Since I started using this calendar, my family wastes almost no food anymore. And I rarely forget important tasks. For example, I noted down buying birthday gifts for my mom weeks ago. I see this reminder every time I open the fridge. So I will never miss it. Now let's open the package right away. It comes with complete accessories and exquisite workmanship with premium texture. I use installation tools together with a level gauge to align it perfectly. Installation is extremely beginner-friendly. The ultra-thin Everblog unit lies flat against fridge doors without curling edges. It takes up little space and matches all household fridges perfectly. Say goodbye to messy paper notes. One smart Everblog fridge calendar manages all your family schedules and records. First off, Everblog is equipped with a high-definition digital calendar screen. It clearly displays dates, weekdays and lunar dates. The clean layout is perfect for kitchen use. You can check time easily while cooking, replacing old desk calendars and wall calendars. For a tidy upscale kitchen, its most amazing feature for moms is the all-in-one food management system. You can log the quantity, storage date, and expiry date of all groceries to cut down food waste. Effectively, it also has built-in recipe recommendations for each ingredient. You get step-by-step cooking guides with detailed calorie counts and nutrition data, helping you keep fit and build balanced meals effortlessly. You can also mark exactly which fridge shelf your ingredients are stored on. Open the built-in Everblog photo album. Locate food instantly with attached photos. No more rummaging through the whole fridge. It carefully manages groceries and guides healthy daily meals, acting as a thoughtful housekeeper and reliable kitchen helper for every mother. Everblog works far more than a memo board. It is also a mini smart digital photo frame. Upload family portraits, kids' daily snaps, and travel photos, which will play on loop automatically when idle. Warm family photos greet you whenever you grab ingredients, filling your kitchen with warmth and love. My favorite feature is its customizable smart reminder system, covering all family affairs. Set alerts for family birthdays, children's reading activities and study tasks, May Day plans, family gatherings and grocery shopping lists. All reminders pop up every time you open the fridge, saving you from forgetfulness once and for all. This compact Everblog smart fridge calendar greatly upgrades your daily life. It combines precise food, inventory management, nutrition recipe guides, photo positioning search, and all-around schedule alerts, boasting both great looks and powerful functions. It is a fantastic item to lift your quality of life. I highly recommend every family to get one. Guys, how do you organize your fridge food and daily to-do lists? Have you tried similar fridge calendars? Leave your ideas in the comment section below.